Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to watch Fate Zero on Netflix. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to watch Fate Zero, it is hard to get the anime from the Netflix. So just simply open any of your search engines and into there search for Fate Zero Netflix. And then this first link will appear from the Netflix. Just simply tap into that link and it will lead you to the anime into the Netflix application. Now into here, you can see the collections of the anime into the series. Just simply select which one of the Fate anime that you want to watch. And after that, you can easily play Fate Zero anime series on Netflix. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.